I'm gonna go in here to Sam's Club and pick up a couple of things if I can get in. Traffic around here and people cutting off is just unbelievable. Anyway, hang out with me for a little bit. Need a pool for this summer, $34. $19 for a float. Not bad. Alright, they seem to be fully stocked over here, but I'm looking for my oatmeal. And at the end of the aisle it said oatmeal. So let's go down here and see what they got. So I found what I came for. I'm getting the oatmeal. See, there's 52 individual packs in here. That's a lot cheaper than buying those kits off the internet and off of Amazon. It is $10.78. So that is 20 cents, 20.8 cents each for 52 packs. So I got 2 boxes of that because that will last a long time. And I've already got the beans. We already got lots of beans and stuff. We don't need no more of that. We already got oatmeal, the regular oatmeal, old-fashioned oatmeal. Now here's the grits. I'm going to get another box of grits. It's even cheaper. It's $8.58 for 46 packs, individual packs. So if you go prepper and you want stuff that's individually packed so you don't have to open the whole thing and mess it up, this is the way to go. Alright, I'm looking for my nuts. My trail mix. Individual packs trail mix. Oh, look here, here's a different one. This has got a variety. That's not the one I got though. The one I got was blue. Let's see. That looks pretty good. Let me see, this is the one I got, I believe. Yeah, this is the one I got. I like this one better. Cranberry and omega-3 mix. So I'm getting one of those. So with that right there, you can have a lot of meals with that. Let me see how many's in this pack. 24. There's 24 in here. And that is $9.98. That's $10. So should I get another pack? Should I get another bag? I don't know. Here's triple nuts, and it's $13. But no, I ain't getting that. That's not individual packages. Let's see what else they got here. It's the same kind. Let's see how many packs are in here. 18. How many's in here? 24. This is a much better deal. 24. Plus that's more expensive. That one's 13. And this one that I like is $10. So I'm getting one more of these. Woohoo! I'm cooking now, or not. Alright, all this stuff right here cost me $50. So if this $50 worth of food right here, if you bought it from Amazon and bought those things in the buckets, the survival packages, it would cost you $200 or $300 or more for this much food. So this is a deal. Now I gotta go home and put it away. So thanks for hanging out with me. I know it's a short video going to Sam's Club and getting gas and getting my food and stuff, but hey, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you watched it all the way to the end. And you guys have an awesome day, because I am, baby. This is Harold signing off. See you later.